Welcome back, everybody. Got another unboxing video. This wasn't necessarily something I was looking to buy, but when I found out they existed, I couldn't resist to get one. I searched on eBay for a little while, found a couple that were in good condition, put them in my watch list, and they sat there for weeks and some of them months. And I got an email the other night from eBay saying that the seller had made an offer to me for cheaper than what it was listed, and I took that as a sign to get it. So, it's probably, 18 inches long or so. Let's open it up. Let's find out what we got here. Packaged nicely. I'm a big fan of packaging things nicely. I had a bad experience with that one time. I lost something in the mail that I had bought. That's a story for another time. I think it's time to sharpen this knife. So the poor thing about unboxing videos, you only get one shot once you open the box. I'm not going to tell you how many times I had to redo my intro because it just wasn't right. So hopefully we got it right this time. Oop, got a little bit there. My goodness, man. Let me get some scissors. Packaged almost too well, if that's possible. Okay, so as I'm sure you can tell by now, it's a inch-pound torque wrench, which I do not have. I only have a foot-pound, and it's half-inch. But as you can see here, this is a Briggs & Stratton branded. It doesn't necessarily mean they made it, but it is branded. It's their part number. Made in the USA, so we like that, if it'll focus. The ad said it had a little bit of rust on it, but I don't see that. This thing is, I don't know how old it is. I guess there's a little rust right here. Don't know how old it is, probably not as old as I think, but I didn't have an inch-pound torque wrench, and I hadn't planned on getting one recent, and seeing this is why I don't, I like being able to do more than one take, but that's an unboxing video for you. I said I wasn't necessarily looking to get one of these, but the price was right, so I went with it. So this will be seen in a future video, obviously, when we start putting the engine back together. Engines, because if you've been following along the past couple months, I've picked up one myself, got gifted another, so those are somewhere down the list. And I'm sure this will work for all of them. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be seeing you.